Today we're going to do a little bit of digital housekeeping, and this is something that totally changed my experience just as a tech enthusiast in general. This totally changed how I travel with my tech. And more importantly than not, this is something that you don't need a big budget to do. You don't need money to do. You just need to have a little bit of time, some scissors, a roll of Velcro. In this case, I'm using the Baseus cable Velcro, and a little bit of super glue. Step one of this is quite simple. You're going to measure an amount of Velcro that's about the size of your biggest finger. Maybe a little bit longer than that depending upon if you have big or small hands, but as a general rule of thumb, this is the amount that I like to measure. The next step that you're going to want to do is take your cable and go ahead and face one side of the Velcro in and begin to form and shape the Velcro and roll it up so that it fits around your cable snugly. At this point, you can choose whether or not to go with the rough side of the Velcro out or the smooth side of the Velcro out. In my case, because the bag that I use to transport most of this stuff has Velcro in it, I'm going to pick the smooth side out so they don't stick to parts of my bag. Or maybe I should do it rough side Velcro out to keep things in one place in my bag. I'll try doing a few cables with the sticky side out and tell you guys about this over on my website. Once you have shaped the Velcro to an appropriate size around the cable and it's got a correct amount of twist, go ahead and apply a few drops of super glue to a healthy amount of the Velcro strip. Doing this will ensure that the Velcro strip does not come on or off of your cable, and it just makes it overall a better. Hey guys, before we go to the next step, 94.6% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel. Change that by smashing the subscribe button. At this point, one of the best things that you can do is to wind your Velcro tightly around the cable, let the glue cure for a few minutes, and then you're done. At this point, one of the best things that you can do is to wind your Velcro tightly around the cable, let the glue cure for a few minutes, and then you're done. Well guys, that was pretty easy. I hope that this little tutorial, this little trick saves you guys time, frustration, and more importantly than not, messy cables. I find that being on the go, living in a motorcycle-oriented society, I oftentimes am bringing a charger and cable with me, and having it coiled neatly like this just makes the experience so much easier and so much neater. If you guys are looking for the best USB Type-C cables, go ahead and check this card out right here. I did a long, in-depth review of the Baseus magnetic cables as well as the Baseus USB Type-C cables, and I found that they were the best value cables that I could use that I found on the market at a very reasonable price, and their magnetic charging system has taken a lot of wear and tear off of my Poco F2 Pro. If you guys want to see more videos about the Poco F2 Pro, click this video right here. If you guys want to see my long review of the Baseus cables, click right here. And until next time, it's been Mitchell.